How to change font size in Microsoft Edge. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to change font size in Microsoft Edge. To change font size in Microsoft Edge, simply follow the steps exactly as shown in this guide. So let's start the video. On your system, open Microsoft Edge browser. In the top right corner, click on three dots to open Edge menu. Now, click on Settings. A new window will appear. In Settings, on the left side panel, click on Appearance tab. Now, scroll down. Below you can see Font. In the front of Font Size, click on drop-down menu. Now you can see many font size options. Select your desired font size. Then your font size will change. And that's it. This is the easiest method to change font size in Microsoft Edge. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.